So I'm logging into prasukorganics.com. Go to the home page, organic kitchen. Okay, there are many plans. Which one should I order today? Yoga plan or protein rich? I think we'll do the yoga one. Let's try that. And wow, it has a lot of variety. So almonds, black sesame seeds, flax seeds, black pepper powder, pumpkin seeds. So I am making a few customizations, Mom, so that we'll remove the guava and we'll add the orange. And our organic super kitchen. Let's add amla.
That is a must these days.
Okay. Now we check out, we finish this and we continue to kitchen. So on an 8,000 rupees deal, we will get a 4,000 cash back. We check out. So we finally ordered the Yoga Se Hoga pack, which will mean 8 deliveries in a month, 2 every week. For 8,000 minus 50% discount, which makes it 4,000 for the entire month. So my first delivery out of the 8 deliveries is right here. Hello everyone. Today we are very excited to share what we have in our house, an amazing delivery from Prasuk Organics. Finally, Mummy and I have found out the new way of healthy eating. And yes, these are lovely organic foods from prasukorganics.com. It's all eco-friendly packaging. These packets are made out of cornstarch, and these are all reusable packaging. And yes, the oils have also come in reusable bottles, and the most amazing part is that for an order of 8,000 rupees, you've got a 50% discount as a promotional offer, and we got a 4,000 cash back. So do log on to prasukorganics.com and check out their organic kitchen, which makes your grocery shopping so much easier, because they have well customized plans from experienced nutritionists who actually guide you in what is the right eating food style. And yes, on the click of a button, we have ordered our monthly groceries, dals, organic fruits, organic vegetables. And here I am opening the organic fruit pack, which are these organic anar and organic apples. So of course, for a family of 5 that we are and 2 children, I think the best way to go about is to eat healthy. And I'm very happy to share that we have now made our entire kitchen an organic kitchen and gotten away with the conventional food, so that we follow one line of food items.
And the best part is that it is delivered at home.
Yes.
We don't have to go to outside.
Yes. Especially in Corona, I think we are very safe and sound with our order. It all comes home and timely delivery. So everyone, my super organic kitchen is ready, and I highly recommend this to each one of you. Make your kitchen completely organic and remove the conventional masalas and dals from your kitchen, and eat well, stay safe and stay connected with Prasuk Organics. Log on to their website prasukorganics.com to see the various options that they have to offer. And all the best to everyone, and we recommend organic foods to each one of you. Thank you.